Peace, family. This is Naeem from Vegan Voodoo Lounge, and I recently had an African American herbalist come into the restaurant and just gave us a lot of praise on loving our food and what we're doing at the restaurant. So I asked him, had he created any detox formulas, and he told me that he had just completed a brand new detox formula and that I could be one of the first 4 people to try it out, including him and his wife, right? He brought me 2 detox tea formulas that he created. One to get rid of the parasites, the candida, detox your liver, and the other one, it also helps detox your entire system as well as break up that stubborn, hard to get rid of tummy fat, right? So I was like, bet. So first, all I had to do was boil some water, rip that tummy tea open and that parasite tea open. I had to go get me some mason jars though. But all I had to do was take the organic, fresh, certified herbs that come in the package. Throw 2 scoops in that joint. 1, 2. And then go on ahead and just add my hot water and let it steep overnight, you dig? First I did the parasite tea, then I did the tummy tea. That's it. Close it up, let it steep overnight. Detox challenge starts.
Peace, family, peace. So, it's your boy Naeem. I'm back at the Vegan Voodoo Lounge. I don't know where we be at, you dig? And once again, today we starting day 1 of the detox.
Now, another good thing that I liked about this detox was learning a bunch of new recipes, right? Taking a lot of the good foods that I already can kind of cook with somewhat and combining them into making all new delicious flavor combinations, right? So not only was the food good that you had to eat in order to get the best results, but it was also alkaline, so your body was in a high state to help complement the detox even more. Now, something that I didn't expect was before the detox, you know, I usually weigh about 215, 216 pounds, you know what I'm saying? Kind of fluctuate if I'm full. But after the detox, I got back on the scale after the 14 days. And man,
it's crazy, yo, it's crazy.
I had literally lost about 17, 18 pounds in 2 weeks.